Typically, I begin my videos by saying, as always, all code related to the video's exercises can be found in the video description below, along with the associated data file, which is structured in CSV format. But if you're new to the field, you're probably not exactly sure what CSV format is or how to work with the CSV formatted data, which is in the video description below. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to import raw CSV data into Excel. And hopefully this will allow you or enable you to be able to watch the videos in the various playlists that I have up and import the data yourself so you can follow along at home. So first thing you're going to have to do if you want to give this a try at home, you can go to any of my videos which have code associated with them. We're going to use how to average values across variable columns in SPSS, and we're going to give that a click. Now, if you go to the video description, you'll see down here that we have some code which is associated with the video. This is code for SAS. And then we have the CSV formatted data. So how do we get this into our computers? How do we bring this into our machines so we can utilize it for the exercise examples? What you need to do is go to VarA to VarC, highlight all of this down from VarA to number 1 and copy it. So that's Control C on a Windows computer. That's Command C on a Mac, or you could just right click and go to copy. But you need to copy VarA to 1. All right, so make sure all this data is highlighted and copied. Now, if you're on a Windows computer, you're going to open up Notepad. All right, so just go ahead and find Notepad on your system. And then you're going to paste into Notepad, which is Control V, the data which you had recently copied. So you should get something which resembles this. Now you can save this data, just file, save as. I've called our data demo set A, but you can call it whatever you'd like. So I took the data here, I copied it, I pasted it into a Notepad file, and I just saved it as demo set A. So it's going to be saved somewhere, wherever you choose, as demoset.txt. Now, if we're using a Windows computer, we're going to open up Excel. Now, what your Excel resembles may vary depending on what version of Excel you have installed. But in any event, once Excel is open, go to File, then from the bar on the left, which will open up after clicking File, click Open, and then click Browse. All right, so File, Open, Browse. Now you'll have to navigate around your computer to find where the data is located. So this is going to be the text file that you created, and you have to find where it was saved. So when you saved as, you have to find where this particular file was saved, whatever drive it's saved in, and make sure when you're looking for the file destination that all files is selected. So make sure that this drop-down menu has all files selected. All right, so select all files, find where it's located, click on it, make sure that the name comes up here, and then click Open. Now in Excel, you should be presented with the text import wizard. Make sure that this circle here, delimited, make sure that this circle here is selected, delimited, and you should see a preview of the file down here. So with this circle selected and the preview of the file on screen, click Next. Make sure that only comma is checked. If we were using tab or semicolon or space delimited files, we make sure that they were checked, but we're only using a comma separated value file, or CSV. So make sure comma is checked. And you should see a data preview down here. Click Next, then click Finish. And you should then have the data in Microsoft Excel. Now from here, you can save the data, go to File, Save As, whatever you'd like. So maybe you want to save it as an Excel file, maybe you want to save it as a CSV file, but you could save it with whatever file format you'd prefer. So you'll have a copy now of the original text file in whatever file format you so select. And from there, you can then import the data into SAS or R, or you can bring it into um, Python or whatever you'd like. But just make sure that you follow these steps initially to get it into a file format that you can utilize. So that's where we're going to end today. If you enjoyed this video, please consider liking and subscribing. If you have any questions, maybe leave a comment so we can help one another out. We're trying to get the message out to as many users as possible. So best of luck in your research and thanks for stopping by. Until next time, take care.